If you're looking for something quite special, this one might be of interest to you. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom 102 square metre home is spread over 2 levels with a bonus basement cellar. The beautiful stone ceiling arches, loft-style wine cellar in the dining kitchen and panoramic view balcony give this home its unique character. It's located in the heart of the historic centre of the village of Spinetoli, which is in the region of Marche, very near the border with Abruzzo. It's just 20 minutes to the Adriatic coast and an hour from either Ancona or Pescara airports. Both of these airports host several budget airlines, making it easy and affordable to get around most of Europe. It's on the market for €80,000. If you'd like to see the full listing with the realtor's contact information, please see the video notes below. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back soon with more exceptional Italian homes under €150,000.